knowledge was handed down in that manner, by symbols that everybody was just taught what they meant. And there wasn't a need for big, large books, or they had everything on tablets, is what James believed. We have the lost continent of Mu here in the Pacific. It doesn't cover the entire. James said that this continent sunk 12 to 14,000 years ago, and he wasn't exactly sure of where the entire outline was, but he was sure it was close. And if you notice, there is Atlantis over here in the Atlantic Ocean. He believed that there were archeon gas belts, and he provides illustrations of them in the lost continent of Mu, that when the volcanic eruptions happened, the chambers emptied out and they flattened, and that's what caused the continent to sink.